All right, so since I spent so much time searching for this needle in the haystack, I'm going to share this with the rest of you folks. So I have an Everest. It's an ESGR2 double door merchandise reach in, brand new. It took me forever to figure out after calling customer service, after calling several times back and forth, and it took me 2 days to figure out how to turn the lights off in the box. So you've got two lights that run along the inside of each side of the doors, the refrigerator doors. Unfortunately, as straight crazy as this sounds, it is. You have a screwdriver that's required to do this. There are 4 screws on over each lock. The 2 on the inside. Now I have undone this because these actually fit in here. So it's the 2 inside, right, on this side and the other, that you need to remove. Now I'll put those back in, because what then it does is it allows this entire panel to lift up, kind of. Now it's hooked on either side, there and in the other corner. But if you lift it up, there's your on-off switch for the lights. And that's how you, it's not done through the digital panel, but actually through the that switch. As crazy and as complicated as that seems. So there you have it. Glad I could help.